I'll be donating all of the proceeds from my model investment portfolio to a charity that's devoted to financial literacy. And at no expense to yourself, you can easily help me donate even more. Hi, I'm Steven. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a certified financial planner, an experienced investor, and the founder of Spicer Capital. On this channel, I'll be posting investment videos that pull from my extensive studies and decade plus of in-the-market experience, including our very specific, detail-oriented, and excruciatingly researched stock picks. Check out the channel header at any time to know exactly what will be coming out over the next week. You'll learn how to build your unique, rapidly growing, highly diversified net worth. If that interests you, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to know when our new research and videos are available. And then comment below and introduce yourself. Now let me tell you real quick about that portfolio. I'll be investing and publicly tracking a stock portfolio here on YouTube. All the profits from that portfolio are earmarked for a nonprofit called Operation Hope. Their goal, as they describe it, is to provide financial literacy empowerment for youth, financial capability for communities, and ultimately financial dignity for all. For every new subscriber, I will contribute an additional $1 to the portfolio. That may not sound like much, but I'm fully prepared to grow this channel to over 1 million subscribers, which would give us a 7-figure endowment to help fight financial illiteracy. I'll also work in the occasional opportunity to make me contribute more, like a like or comment challenge within some individual new videos. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and be ready. Because with your help, this could really add up, and we could make a big difference together. Every quarter, we'll donate 10% of the profits. We'll let the rest continue to compound to have an even greater long-term impact. If you're interested in confidently building your own net worth, by subscribing, you have a rare opportunity to do that for yourself and others in need. I look forward to meeting you in the comments. Take care.